Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace tail light on 2014 Chevrolet Sonic. This is gonna apply to Chevy Sonics made from 2012 and all the way up to 2019. First, you'll have to open your trunk to gain access to the screws that are holding tail lights. Now when we have trunk opened, we have two screws. They're cross screws that we need to remove. By using Phillips screwdriver, I'm gonna remove these two screws. Once those two screws are removed, you simply want to pull out towards you. Remember, screws are removed here and you have two pins on the side that are holding taillight. Okay, now we will have to disconnect all the light bulbs. To disconnect those light bulbs, you will have to twist them counterclockwise and pull it out. To install new bulbs, just turn them clockwise. Once when you have everything together, you want to align those pins with the holes. So we have two pins here on outer side. There is one on the bottom, one on the top. You want to align them with those holes here. Do that. Once you have that aligned, you just want to give it a little push, so that side is secure. We'll just have to put back those screws. Now I have those screws back and the new tail light is on. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.